Hey guys, Patrick Perfect here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Patrick Perfect Present. Welcome you to this week's market outlook video. We are going to be doing a quick market outlook for just three basic pairs which I trade. There are Euro USD, Euro JPY, and XAU USD. Alright, I'll be going right into this pair, doing like a top-down analysis on this pair. I'll be showing you guys levels where I'll be most likely taking trades from this week, okay, and what is my overall perspective on what I'm expecting this week. All right, so let's dive into the video. So welcome to my chart. This is my chart on TradingView, and I'll begin with Euro USD. Okay, so first up, when I come to my chart like this, I want to go to my higher time frame, which I consider as my weekly time frame. My weekly time frame is my higher time frame. My monthly time frame is my higher time frame, and even my daily time frame is my higher time frame. Okay, so first up, I want to go to my higher time frame, and I want to just get a feel to know what the market is doing on my higher time frame before scaling down to my lower time frame to look for possible trade opportunities. Okay, so first, let me go over to my let's start from the monthly time frame. This is Euro USD. As you can see, this is Euro USD, and this is my monthly time frame. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in this chart so you guys can get like a perspective on what Euro USD is doing on my higher time frame. All right, we can see this massive sell-off happen here. We can see this like reversal, and we see this consolidation. We dropped down, and this looks like a market structure shift on my monthly. And when this market started pulling back, I thought it would just end here and then we continue the downtrend, but unfortunately this guy took us out, and this also now is looking like another market structure shift that happened on my monthly time frame. Like you can see, this guy closed above this previous high right here, and it's looking like a market structure shift. Okay, so looking from my monthly time frame, I can tell you that Euro USD is bullish on my monthly time frame. Okay, Euro USD is bullish, and this, and we can see like this moon candle printing red and all. Okay, to me this might be signaling like a pullback, all right, before we continue another bullish leg to the upside. All right, overall on my monthly time frame, Euro USD is bullish, like from what I can see right here. So let's go down to my weekly time frame and see what it has for us. All right, now looking at my monthly time frame too, my monthly time frame is still in structure, because after this market structure shift happened here, we can see this market give us a high, a higher a higher low right here. We can see like this looks like a higher high right here, and this looks like this market is coming for a pullback, right? For those of you that uses Fibonacci, if I should draw my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, it looks like this market is actually coming for like a pullback, like you guys can see. Okay, so judging from my weekly time frame, I can tell you that this market is like, it is permitted to pull back into our 50% discount zone. All right, so right from this 50%, this blue line right here, to this, to my swing low right here, anything from there, we can still say this market is in structure, and we may want to look for buys opportunity, right? Yes, but I will not be like looking for buy opportunity this week on Euro USD. Yes, we are overall bullish. My higher time frame is bullish, but I won't be looking for buy opportunity, even though we are still bullish on this guy. All right, so for this week, guys, I am bearish on Euro USD. Overall, I'm bullish, but we want to take trades that aligns with, like, we have a higher chance of winning. Like, we want to take trade that the chances, the odds of us winning, they are higher. Okay. Now overall we are bullish, but right now the market is retracing. As you can see, this market is retracing, and in a bullish trend, you cannot be buying the retracement. You should be selling the retracement. Yeah, your perspective might be right concerning that pair, but if a pair is bullish, then you should scale down to lower time frame. And if that pair is pulling back, is reversing, you should take the reversal trades. You shouldn't be like buying the market because the market is bullish, and now it is retracing, you are still buying. You chop stop loss and tire. Okay, so for me, I'm still bullish on this guy. Yes, this guy have not traded to the zone where I would like it to come to before I start looking for buy opportunity. All right, so this week I'll be looking for more sales opportunity. Now, why will I be looking for more sales opportunities on Euro USD? Now, looking from my daily time frame, we can see that this is a high, right? After this market structure shift happened here, as you guys can see, we put up this high, we put up this low, we have this higher high right here, this higher low right here, and then we can see this higher high, right? And we can see this higher low. We can see this higher high right here, and then this market came down right here and seemed like to give us a low, but I can't consider this a low. Try to give us a high, no, and then it dropped down here. Last week when this was happening, I was kind of still bullish on. I was bullish on this guy heavily, and I was taking buy straight from levels like this. Let me draw it. Yeah, I was looking at taking buy straight from this level, and I'll explain that to you guys. Now, if you understand market structure, you'd see that this is a higher high, this is a higher low, and this higher low is what produced this higher high. Now, in as much as this market is still trading above this higher low right here, we still consider this market bullish, right? Okay, so when the market came here, I looked for buys opportunity, and I caught some buys here. When the market came the second time, I tried to buy this market, but as you can see these candles, I got stopped out. And after this market structure shift happened here on Thursday, I told my guys on our Telegram group that, yo guys, we are selling Euro USD tomorrow. Okay, if you follow my post on my Telegram channel, link is down below. You're going to see everything, like what I'm trading this week, how I'm trading, setups I'm looking out for. You guys are going to see it live. Okay, I don't just come talk and then leave you guys blank. I show you guys. All right, so after this market structure shift happened on Thursday last week, I'm like, yo guys, we are selling Euro USD, prepare for sales. And this morning, even before the market just opened, we can see this drop. This is on Monday, 12th of May 2025. We can see this drop. This is signaling like, yo man, we we need to sell this market, right? Okay, so what are setups that I'll be looking out for? Okay, we can see this guy is putting up a bearish trend right here. We can see this drop down, we can see this pullback, we can see this drop, we can see this pullback, we can see this drop. All right, now we can see that this guy is bearish. The structure is bearish, like right now on my lower time frame, say the 4 hourly time frame, and even the daily time frame is signaling some bearish uh structure. So guys, I'll be looking out for sales this week on Euro USD. I want price to come back to this level right here, and I'll be looking to short this market. And I'd also want price to, if price also come to this level right here, I'd be looking to take short opportunities. Okay, so this is my outlook for Euro USD for this week, beginning today, which is 12th of May 2025. Now quickly let's go over EURJPY, and let's see what we have playing out right there. Now Euro JPY, I've been bullish on this guy for more than 3 weeks right now. If you've been following my Telegram channel, you will notice that we've been taking buys on this guy for the most part, and for the most part our buys have been like coming through. Okay, now what am I looking at for this week on Euro JPY? Are we continuing our buying streak, or we are looking to change our bias on Euro JPY? All right, join me. Let's do like a quick top-down analysis on this guy. Now on Euro JPY, this is my monthly time frame. This is my monthly time frame. You can see that these candles are very messy. You can see these candles are messy, like so many rejections up there. This guy is not committed to one direction, but our understanding of price action and market structure will help us to like get a trading opportunity. Okay, so looking at my previous candles on Euro JPY, we can see the last month of April closed as an indecision candle, right? We have this massive sell up to the downside and this rejection. The market tried to close bullish, but it also rejected, and we closed as an indecision candle, right? And now this month is printing bullish. This month of May is printing bullish. Okay, now with this rejection that happened last month and with this current month, like this candle so far being bullish, I'm still like looking at taking more buys on Euro JPY. Okay, now let's go down to my lower time frame. Let's see if I'll have something for to change my mind, or to like boost my confirmation bias on why I'll be taking buys on this guy. All right, now these are the trades we took last week on my Telegram channel, and these guys, like, we did hit TP last week. If you follow my posts, guys, I post on TikTok, I post on Telegram, I even post on my Facebook Reels, I post on YouTube Shorts. All right, every trade I'm taking on my Telegram channel, I compile them as a video and I post them. All right, this is like me journaling my trades, right? So if you're watching me, guys, I would advise you to do same thing I'm doing. All right, create a Telegram channel, post your trade ideas, your trade setups. Okay, when this trade gets to play out, post the outcome of these trades, right? Post the outcome, and then take screenshot of this trade at intervals, make a video of the trade, and then start putting yourself out there. Like, little by little, you developing yourself, and it is going to help your trading, to help you know what you are doing best, like what are the best entries for you, what are the best patterns for you. Like, for me, doing this for over 2 weeks to 3 weeks right now, I know what it has done to my trading. I know the improvement I've improved in trading. Okay, so that being said, let's go into our video. Now this is my weekly time frame, and as you can see on my weekly time frame, the previous month closed as a doji candle, which signifies an indecision candle. But looking at these guys, we can see like the massive rejection. Like, you can see this buy rejection, this bearish candle traded down to this low right here, and then the bulls came in and bought this market right up to this place, and this is signaling like so much bullish presence on this market. I'm not going to lie. So for me, I would still be looking at buying UJPY this week. All right, the market just opened today and we can see that started printing some bullish candles. Okay, this is like a good sign, but let's still go down to my lower time frame to see what we have there. All right, so this is my daily time frame, and as you can see, we are still in structure, right? So now, why did I say we are still in structure? From this massive like rally to the upside, we had a market structure shift. This market pulled down, gave us a low. We tried to put a higher high, but that didn't happen. We came back to put like an equal low, and then we had a higher high right here, which is higher than this previous high, and then we did put down a higher low right here, as you can see, guys. And we also have this market, after giving us a higher low, we rallied up again to put up like a higher high. As you can see, this high is higher than this one, and we came back and put up an equal low, and now this market looks like it's coming to put up an equal high and maybe continue the uptrend and give us like a higher high. Okay, so this is what I can see on my daily time frame, guys. And how am I taking like advantage of this idea? I'll simply go down to my 4 hourly time frame, and first up, we can see this market is even giving us like a bullish uh price action right here. We can see this high, this low, this higher high, higher low. You can see this is like a higher high, guys. So if you're trading euro jpy this week, for me, I'm bullish on this guy, and I'll be looking out for more buyers opportunity. First, I'll be targeting this guy right here, this black line, which is my 100% retracement level. Yes, okay, I'm already on a buy on this guy. I'll be showing you guys on my mt5. Let me go over to my mt5 and show you guys. I'm massively buying euro jpy. I entered for this buy trade last week, and this trade I think is still running in profit, as you can see. Let me go over to my 4 hourly time frame. All right, you can see I bought this market from here. I added more positions right here, and then added more positions right here. You can see this guy is massively in profit, and that is it for euro jpy. I am strong bullish on this guy. If you want to trade euro jpy this week, just look out for more buys opportunities. Okay, now follow your market structure. Like this looks like a good setup for me. This market should come, the market is already in this level, like this level first and this level second. All right, so I'll be looking at to take buys on euro jpy from this level first and this level second. All right, that is that for euro jpy. Let's move over to xauusd quickly. Now xauusd, as you all know, this guy have been bullish like for the most part. You can see this is my monthly time frame. We've been bullish. The candlesticks are like, the momentum are very strong bullish, right? But something happened last week. We saw like a bearish rejection happen, right? We can spot this happen from April. Okay, this rejection started April, right? Where we have this market came to an all-time high right here. We dropped, like we sold off massively, and then this market tried to like put up a new all-time high, and we dropped. This rejection happened, and this week that opened is now trading bearish. Now what is this signaling to us? Let's go down to my daily time frame, and let me show you guys what is my thought process on xauusd. For xauusd, I'm still strong bullish on this guy. Okay, we can see this market give us a high, give us a low, give us a swing high right here, give us a low right here, and this market has tried to give us like a higher high, but that didn't happen. It's like coming back, and for some of you this is looking like a double top, right? Okay, I won't consider this a double top yet until we take out this neckline. All right, when we take out this neckline, then I'll be bearish on this guy. But in as much as we are still trading like within this trend, this neckline zone, then I will still consider this market being bullish. Therefore, I'll be looking to take buys trade on xauusd first from this level. All right, if this market should break this level, then I'll change my bias to take some short sales. All right, back to this level right here. Okay, guys, so this is my outlook for this week on euro usd, euro jpy, and XAUUSD. All right, these are levels I'll be looking to take trades from, and I'll be documenting my trade as usual on my Telegram channel. If you're not yet on that channel, do well to click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel. Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. I hope you guys learned something, you got value from this video. If you do, please do well to like this video, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do well to join my Telegram channel. If you're a Forex trader, it is very important to join that channel because I want to motivate struggling traders. All right, I am on a journey to becoming a very consistently profitable trader, and I don't just want this for myself. I want this for every struggling trader out there. All right, so if you're watching this video, I encourage you to join my Telegram channel so we get to learn together, we get to see our perspective together. And guys, what I'm doing, if you do what I'm doing with me, you're going to become consistent too. Like no cap. I'm not joking. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. I remain Patrick Perfect. See you inside my Telegram channel. All right. Thank you guys.